Welcome guys, so this is my tutorial world where I tutorials and stuff. The first tutorial, by the way, this is in Java, not Bedrock. I normally do play in Bedrock, but I'm kind of switching over to Java. So, I'm going to show you guys how to make a simple tree capacitator. And this will work for any kind, and this will work in Minecraft itself, and this will even work in Bedrock, but you will have to change the command up a bit, which I might show that at the end of the video or something like that. But first, you're going to need to get a command block. You can either obtain this by going into creative, and then if you have like these turned on, you can grab it from here. Grab a repeating one, it's easiest. How do you get that? I don't know. I'm not gonna lie. It is going to be in your settings somewhere. I know I got it. I'm just trying to think of where it would be at. It might be in here. Just look for it. I don't know. Just look up how to get like the operator utilities menu in Java, or you can do /give as command block, or just go down and repeating it. But you're gonna place it, and this is like fail-proof. It will not delete all your blocks near it. That is not the one. So first we're going to type execute at E, not A or anything, at E, and then name equals oak log for this case, comma, and I do that in like I forgot what these are called, but yeah, and then y equals 1 in bracket if block that, and then oak log, or the type of log you're doing, which would be what this is, and then you're going to do run set block or fill 1 air destroy. You must add destroy, and I will show you why if you don't. So we're going to turn that on, and we are going to get, I think that was right here, but I'm going to show you why you must add destroy. This is with destroy on. I'm going to grab a stack so this is easier. Place 1, it breaks it. Also, I turn off command output if I were you. But you know, no matter how high it is, it should break it all. Like theoretically that would break. Let me full screen this. Yeah, see that? Now, if you don't set destroy, you can see how it dropped blocks, right? If I then just remove a destroy, done. Pick these up. I have 64 and 16. It doesn't even work. It doesn't even work right without it set up. Just to rebuild that. See, it just breaks it. It doesn't, drop the block. So that's why you have to have destroy in there, or it just actually won't even work really. You can do this with any type of wood too. Like I could change that to oak, and then change that to oak or whatever. Anywhere it said like not oak, but birch. Anywhere it said oak, you could change that to like birch, spruce, or anything like that. As well as for any other block too, really. Like you could do this to stone if you wanted. And I was thinking about making it like where, because it only breaks up. Like it wouldn't break like off to the side like this. See? So I was going to make like experimental with this. Go off to the side. We're gonna data copy, holding control and then copy. And the X and everything here that I'm changing, it is important to know what that is supposed to be. We're going to do a data copy. work. Not exactly. I did something like that. Okay, that was that. Okay, hold on. I know why this isn't working. I know why this is not working, guys. Okay, so this is only checking positive. This needs to also check negative. Only gonna do that. So theoretically, how it's set up, it shouldn't break that stuff, which I think that might be the way that doesn't work. Yeah. Okay, hold on. What if, like, I have a big tower right here? No. So that is going negative. That's Z, and X. That's also Z. That's X. That's Y. That would also be Y. That's not working. I didn't add a negative to this. So I was gonna say theoretically that should work. Oh my god, it worked, yes. Okay. I think this works. Okay. Look at that. So it works. I thought that'd take a lot more to make. So I am actually in the middle of recording another video right now, which is a long-term survival world. I'm gonna do like in series or chapters. I'm not sure what I call it yet, but I am working on that. So I do have this in it. It is a completely survival, except for a few exceptions of like spectator and stuff. Yeah. So I think I could use the same system for like Oris. Okay, which one's X? That's X. That's also X. So I'm gonna. We're just gonna set the coal ore. We're gonna do this with coal ore and see. I think it's only 2 spots. Okay. And hopefully, if you guys don't understand this yet, or where you need to change it, hopefully that just helped you too. Okay. Let's get some coal ore in here. Mistake. Hold on. I need to look over this and see where I need to change it. Cool. Should just have to change it here too. Here. Okay, let's look over this command. Execute at name coal. It's not going up. Hold on. That's why. That's why. That would be why. Yeah, see right there. That worked. So theoretically, if you guys just copy all of this, which obviously I'm gonna do better here in a second, But if you copy all of this and just change the names to like what I just did over here, but all of it, it should work. I am going to warn you, don't try this with like super big veins that you like made by hand, because it will not stop. I don't have like a fail system for that. If it's like exceeds like 60 or something at some point, it won't stop. Like I could lag my game out right now if I wanted to. Like, if I just do this is gonna be a bit laggy, but they broke all of it. Besides the ones that got misplaced like that. And if you guys are seeing all this and wondering how you turn this off, it is game rule, command block output false. But I don't care, so I'm just leave it on. Oh my god, okay. So for me to do this better. That is X. Let's do this again. That is negative X. I don't feel like changing too much of that. That's negative. So work is gonna. I feel like you could add it all in here, like all of them at once, but I feel like that glitch shit that like caused some chaotic things to happen, so that's one reason I'm not doing that. So I also wouldn't suggest you do it either. Positive. That is not what I need. I'm bad about that, guys. Oh my god, I did it again. Make sure you're updating that number too, or that won't work. So basically all that. Just, like, just 6 command blocks for that. To do always too. If you only want up and down, you only need the Y's. Technically, you really need the positive Y if you just want up. Down is just like help, prevent. In case of like, it's like something like this. If it's something like that, then it will. See? It's just to prevent any future things from happening. I think I'm actually going to move this over to my survival world. But you guys will get to see this part in there, me copying it over, because I'm going to show it. As I almost break it. So I can remove all this. And then, if you copy all that over, but change it for like ores, then it'll work too. So yeah. I'm going to copy all this over to notebook now. So let me get a notebook open. Notepad, I guess. Not notebook. Who cares? And I will also show a picture of this notepad too for you guys, so you guys can see that. So you can see all the commands like all next to each other lined up. And then you guys will get a little sneak peek at how I'm going to set this little booklet up, which is also going to, you know, have whatever I'm going to plan to post, because I want to start posting more often. Yeah, hold on. Z. I don't know if I copied that or not. Okay, there's that. Get this. Alright, now, if I remember to add it, you should be seeing a picture of the notebook for the tree capacitor command block commands in here, like right now. At this point, you should be seeing it if I add it right. If I don't, I will copy and paste all this into the description of the video. But I think this is it. I don't think there's anything else I can do for this. Well, actually, you guys haven't seen the, like, you know, the thing that, like, I was gonna say, like, you know, that it don't break other block. Like, see, it still works, alright? Now, let's say we have, like, a tree going on, like, a whole, like, weird tree thing going on here. And let's say I have some other type of plank. I don't know, Birch is described as the easiest. Don't hate on me for it, okay? Say, like, I built my house around it, and I'm like, you know, I want to remove this now, or I want to use this type of wood, whatever type of wood it is. You break it. See, it doesn't break it, even went into it. I did that for a reason. See, it went into it. It doesn't break it, guys. And there's, like, no fail proof for that either. It's just how the command is set. It is to prevent it from doing that. So, yeah. See, I mean, it did go around here, I guess. So be careful about stuff like that. I guess it's because it went right on that side of the class. That's the reason why I did that. Yeah. So I just, like, also remember, you do need to keep these loaded. So you can have, like, a chunk loader or something, or I recently learned force load, add. I don't know how many you can have in Java, but I know it's a cap of 10 in Bedrock, which is actually called pick an area, add in Bedrock. You can have a max of 10, I know that for a fact. but you can add them pretty big too. If you have any questions about this, please drop them in the comments. I might make a Discord server for this. Let me know if I should. Well, I guess I'll see you some other time.